In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Gemini AI account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. You may be wondering, what steps do I need to take to delete my account? Well, firstly, it's worth noting that Gemini doesn't have a standalone account. Instead, it operates through your main Google account. Therefore, you can't delete a separate Gemini account like you might with other apps. Thankfully, if you want to remove your Gemini data or stop it from tracking your activity, there are options available. To get started, the first step is to review your activity. You can delete your Gemini chat history if you feel it's time to wipe the slate clean. It's quite simple. You just need to head over to the Gemini web app or open it on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, the next step is to find your profile. Look for your profile picture or your initials, which should be located at the top of the app. After you click on that, you should find an option labeled Gemini Apps Activity. This is where all your past interactions are stored, and it's your hub for managing what stays and what goes. Now you'll want to choose the time frame for which you wish to delete chat history. If you want to remove everything, you can simply select All Time. However, if you're only looking to clear specific chats, select a specific time range that suits your needs. After you've chosen your desired time frame, the next task is to handle future tracking. Open the Gemini Apps Activity from the Profile menu once again. Here, you'll find a button labeled Turn Off. By clicking this, you'll stop future prompts from being saved by Gemini. You'll then be given options to either select Turn Off or Turn Off and Delete Activity. If you choose the latter, you'll ensure that Google won't store any of your future interactions or prompts. It's an effective way to maintain your privacy if you're stepping away from using Gemini. Now, if you find yourself thinking that you no longer want the app at all, you might consider removing it from your device entirely. Simply delete the app and ensure that you've taken all necessary steps to manage your data while you still have access to the app. As you proceed through these options, make sure you're following the on-screen prompts carefully. Clear instructions are provided, and it's all designed to help you manage your privacy effectively. Finally, it's always a good idea to keep your Google account settings updated. Regularly reviewing your activity and app permissions can help keep your information safe and ensure that you're only using features and apps you genuinely want. And that's pretty much it. You've now learned how to delete your Gemini AI account effectively, or at least how to manage your data and privacy within the app. I encourage you to make these choices that best suit your needs. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more helpful content like this one. Thank you for watching, and take care.